Flipped classroom evaluation. When it comes to evaluating the effectiveness of a flipped classroom, one usual way is to measure students' course grades or their final exam scores to see if there is any change. However, these scores may not be able to fully reflect a student's total learning experience, such as what the student had learned, what the student needs to learn, and how learning works in flipped classrooms. Investigating students' perceptions of their learning in flipped classrooms is also common by conducting surveys with Likert scale and free text responses. However, students' own perceptions of their knowledge and skills may not reflect reality or provide an accurate and thorough assessment, and should not serve as a primary measure of learning effectiveness. Although these instruments can, to an extent, provide a generic picture of the effectiveness of a flipped classroom, there is a lack of a comprehensive evaluation approach that provides adequate evidence of student learning. So, how do we evaluate student learning more efficiently and holistically in flipped classrooms? First of all, we need to understand that learning should not be seen as the outcome of teaching, but rather allow teaching to become a mindful response to learning. Teachers do not create learning, only learners create learning. Teachers should respond to student performance to guide the learning process. This happens through mindful evaluation, being conscious and in the moment, seeing the situation clearly and providing immediate support and feedback. So here, we develop a new evaluation toolkit for assessing the effectiveness of flipped classrooms. This toolkit includes checklists, surveys, quiz or worksheets, teacher guidance, flipped teaching rubrics that help teachers reflect on their each flipped teaching experience, interview protocols, exam scores, and other formative alternatives. These different evaluation methods can be mixed and matched strategically for each stage of a flipped classroom as needed to help teachers and faculties gain a more balanced and holistic perspective. This toolkit is now available on our website. Feel free to check it out. In the next video, we will be discussing how these methods can help teachers evaluate their flipped classrooms, so that teachers are able to identify what really helps students learn better and continuously improve their learning and teaching innovation strategies.